Okay, I just got a new set of headphones, and I'm gonna peel the plastic off. This is for you guys. Wow.
What's it gonna be? 4 spoons, 4 forks, a little welding, and a couple nuts.
Did somebody order the banana split?
Control your dog.
Shut the fuck up.
Control your dog.
Go get him. Go get him.
Control your dog, sir. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Alexa, play Basshead.
Basshead by Bass Nectar on Amazon Music.
Pretending to eat strangers' feet with my shadows. I think we're best friends now.
Bro, this is something that pisses me off about this module. We got atp plus pa plus pbr plus q, and it just equals 0. Why am I doing all of this if it just equals 0? If it equals 0, just leave me alone.
Can I get a steak quesadilla? Yeah, with a Baja Blast. Blast? With a Baja Blast.
Is this the power of a god?
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Ugh. We're tramping through the bush. On and on we push. Into the thick of it. But we can't see where we're going.
Watch this.
Y'all, this my new favorite app.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! We're the bush! On and on we push!
To the thick of it.
But we can't see where we're going.
He made us start to find the jungle's heart.
But all we find is nothing!
And we can't see where we're going.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! But we can't see where we're going!
Dude, SpongeBob just walked by me. Oh my god. That's him. That's him.
He's in the building.
Yeah, it checks. It all checks out. Okay. So Tom Kenny, the voice of SpongeBob SquarePants here, with Devin, who graduated today. Da 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 da. Take it, Gary. Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
Post a video you went viral for.
Oh my guys, bolas! Oh my guys. Oh my guys, bolas, 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 bolas! Oh my guys, bolas!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L-M-N-O. You guys are always messing up. Seriously, it's L-M-N-O. Child, it's L-M-N-O. Right, we ride together, we die together. I don't know about that now. Go ahead, P. Don't go ahead, P. Me, y'all always group it together. Y'all supposed to be individual. Nah, girl, I'm sorry, but we've been doing this for years. This is L-M-N-O. Y'all confusing the kid. Let them be confused. Y'all, it's L-M-N-O. Show is Elemento. I heard a T in that. Am I part of the crew? Nah, I just said that to put emphasis in it. Oh my gosh, can we please just get along with the song? Shut up, cause we really don't need you, X. For real, you irrelevant. Right, every time somebody try to say a word that begin with you, they always say xylophone. Or X-ray. I know y'all ain't talking cause I bet y'all all gonna say the same thing. Watch this. What's a word that begin with A? Apple? I'm sorry, hey, he got us there. Right, that's the only thing I can think of.
Hey man, Jerry's in the driver's seat.
Jerry in the driver's seat. Okay. Jerry in the driver's seat. Jerry in the driver's seat. I can see that. Jerry in the driver's seat. He do be in there. My dog Jerry, he be moving fast. Haters bugging on it, on it till they hit the glass. We don't got a question if the trust real. All homies stupid on them, they got a problem, they can trust still. Never know you only trust him. Big and out is still true. Try to mold us into something different, what a mildew. Soaking up the insecurities with all the paper. With the broken man inside, I always still do. Stop playing with me.
Water prank on client.
Hey, bro, what the fuck?
I am so sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry, bro.
Hey, bro, that's not it.
My fault, bro. My fault, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Nah, come with me right
It's like,
Alright, y'all, we gonna try that thing they be doing that be like, and they put the water down. I don't drink no liquor, so we gonna do it with water. I don't know if it has to be one of those bottles. Okay, y'all ready? That thing turned off. You ready?
I don't know why I ran. I'm not gonna do that again.
Beat.
My husband ordered bagpipes, and they just came in today.
dude, you better not be recording this.
Throwback to a year ago today, when I thought I was an airbender. Watch till the end. Killing it, killing it, killing it. What kind of big-ass hands can take out a light fixture like that? Oh my lord, I swear to—
Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow!
Are you aware if you put a bottle of Big Red in the freezer upside—
So many hamburger buns, hamburger buns. There's bread everywhere in that freezer. Fridge. There's so many buns.
Tell me you watch Looney Tunes without telling me. I go first. Okay.
What does that say?
Screaming inside. What? Creaming inside.
Oh no, okay.
After she's out. What the fuck? Pour it.
I'm gonna try the BTS meal. Let's try.
Hey, can I have some water? Thanks.
You work here? Sir, can I get this, but from the back room?
No.
Why? Let me talk to Jeff Bezos.
Did you hand me that marker? Which marker? Which fucking marker?
The African American one?
Son of a bitch!
Did you know? If you look up Friends Ross on Google and then click the little couch in the knowledge box, this happens.
Perfect!
And your screen will be askewed. If you click it again,
Perfect!
it'll go that way. Click it one more time.
Perfect!
Now it's really messed up, and one more click.
Okay, I don't think it's gonna pivot anymore.
Nice. I like pineapple. That's a nice case.
You don't be taking no pictures of me. Don't be taking no pictures of me. I don't want to be in your Snapchat.
Wow.
You're my friend now.
Got anger issues.
Alright.
When a customer asks for an inches-shaped pizza,
Alright, can we get the 2 small ones?
I don't think the balls are big enough.
why did he pat them like that?
Oh my god, we should do little flowers.
In it goes. Almost ready. Finishing touches. Ta-da!
Look at this dumbass. Your food's not in the microwave, babe. It's in the fridge.
Cut that shit. Cut that.
Two best friends eating grass. They might puke.
This guy's a sociopath.
No, you cut through.
What the
right? And then you fucking just pop one of these bad
There's
boys out.
no way.
You just pop one of these bad
You
boys
cut
out.
it.
You just pop one of these bad boys out. Like,
Hi, I'm Ash Ketchum, and I just fucked Pikachu in the ass. We went about for like 3 rounds. Isn't that right, Pikachu?
Bro, tell me why Walmart got some mayo chup and some crunch on a roach. And don't even get me started with mayo must.
Oh man.
Hey bitch, what's up? Nothing. Me and Yvonne are just so tired from last night. You hung out with Yvonne last night? Yeah, girl. I invited you both to hang out with me, but you said that you were busy. But like, you should have known better or something. I don't know. And I wasn't even busy. I just sat in my bed and watched New Girl again. Well, we're about to go to the beach right now if you want to come. No, I'm busy. Are you just gonna watch New Girl again? Possibly.
Call a tow truck for a toy car.
How can I help you?
Hi, I need to get my car towed.
What's wrong with it?
It's just not going.
What's wrong with the car? It's an accident or what?
No, it wasn't in an accident.
Okay, I can send you a driver.
Okay.
Where's the car?
It's right there.
Which one?
That.
This is serious. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. This is for real. Like, you guys are for real, bro. Like,
Yeah.
This is crazy. This is broke down right here? Let's load her up, bro.
I'm gonna scooter a little bit over, okay? The bottom lip, we don't want to mess it up. Your brakes are not working. Alright, I think we got it, guys. And we don't want to scratch up the blue metallic paint. Man, look at that lip, though. Wow, that clearance. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hey, thank you so much. Appreciate it. You're the man.
There she goes. That was insane.
Wow. Why do you take it so seriously?
Give me a slushie.
We're gonna be on for you today?
And can I also have a small blue raspberry slushie?
The sausage McMuffin?
Alright, most of you guys have been asking me to show off my new phone, which is the LG Wing. You know, it's really not that fancy, it's just a new smartphone. Its big feature is it's got the double screen. Oh, gee!
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend in a world that must depend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, our hearts so true. Our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.
Hey, honey, pizza's here. Okay, be down in a bit. Ready? Call the animals in, honey, and take over. It's done. Good. Coming. It's gonna be like Attack on Titan out there. We gotta keep the older ones back and at base so the youngest can feed first. He's gotta learn how to fend for himself, Kara, and never make it out there on his own. We're closing in. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I love you. I know.
Just thought of the dumbest idea ever.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
lot harder than I thought. God! Wow. There's no way I'm doing the rest of the levels. Whew.
Oh. What the fuck was that?
Huh?
What do you mean, huh? Huh?
Won't open.
You want to tell TikTok what you did?
I've been opening these and taking out one of them in order to see what was inside, and then closing it again, and then opening this one and looking to see what was inside, and then closing it again.
Why?
Because I did not realize that the knob on the outside that you use to open it is exactly what's inside.
Okay, just a little.
Sheesh. Bean, what the fuck?
Public school check.
With it. Cajonas and fitteds off everyone's feet.
You are my fire, the one desire.
Believe when I say
I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Now go.
Dude, my cousin just got diagnosed with ligma. Candace died from that. Who's
Musicians of TikTok, duet this and let's start a band. 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, go! Trombone solo. Crescendo.
Yo, my boy wants a McChicken only cheese. Say less, my boy. I got you with the cheese. Come on now. Yes, sir. Yo, wrap that up, baby. Wrap that on.
Do you hear this shiz? They act like they are dying. Privileged AF. Not guilty at all. My father will never look at me the same.
Yo, Gio.
Yo, are you serious?
What you gonna do if I showed up to your house with this?
Nah.
To steal this from me? I mean, oh, this?
This is fake?